Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're making a super easy candy. Super easy. Super easy. All the ingredients are listed down below. This is going to be so easy, so quick to make. And it's for those people who do not like dark chocolate, milk chocolate. This is using white chocolate. I know a lot of you are saying, oh, I don't like white chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever kind of chocolate you want. But first thing we are going to do is we are going to melt our chocolate. You're like, well, that's not a lot of chocolate. Oh, wait a minute. I also have white chocolate chips. I'm going to throw those in there. So that was almond bark and white chocolate chips. Now what we're going to do is melt those. Let's let it melt. Okay, our chocolate is melted. Now I'm going to take pecans. You could use peanuts, you could use whatever, and just actually dump those right in there. Mix it up a bit. Once those are in, I'll dump some more. Remember, all the ingredients are listed down below. This really is the cheating way to do this. Now, I'm going to take a cookie scoop and just drop those onto a silicone-lined pan. You won't be as messy as I'm being, I'm certain. As you get more room in your pan, go ahead and add more nuts if you want. You can change them up. Like I said, peanuts work, walnuts work. I'm using pecans. You can use macadamia, whatever you like. Be sure to give these enough room because they do spread out. And this will give you something more than just bite-sized treats. So let's get these all onto our pan. Once those are all in on the pan, I'm going to put them into the freezer so that they can set up. Alright, we're going to take these out of the freezer. They're all set up. Let's give these a taste. It has a very praline type of taste. Those were so simple to make, took no time. Now you can use whatever kind of nut you want to use. And these are not the regular chocolate base. This is white chocolate, which I think is barely a chocolate. But they are so good and so easy. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.